Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This is the video for students of Standard 3, subject English. Now our today's thought is this. It is okay to not know, but it is not okay to not try. So, if you don't know something, that is okay. You can learn that thing. But if you don't try to know something, if you don't try to find out the answer, then that is wrong. You should never stop try finding the answer. If you don't know some answer, no problem. We all have to learn. But you have to find out the answer. You should not just stop trying the answer to find. The instructions are common instructions. I will just repeat one time. Early to bed, early to rise. Brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your hands before and after you have your meal. Avoid junk food. Exercise regularly. Take bath every day. Go to school on time. And be attentive in the classroom. So in our today's video, I will give the recap of the previous video. Lesson number 10, Tenali Rama and the three dolls. Then, what will we do? We will solve some interesting worksheets and we will continue with the revision of the notes. Because you have an upcoming exam, so we will first revise the notes of the chapters that are going to come in your exam. So let us begin. So, in our previous video, we had started with the revision of the notes paper style wise, right? I hope you remember that we had started revising the notes. Paper style wise means whatever is your syllabus, we have taken one by one thing according to the paper style which is sent in the group. So first was the multiple choice questions that we already learned. We will just revise, we will start over again with the first thing, multiple choice questions. That is from lesson 9. In a dream come true. In this story, who was Sarah reading about? Sarah was reading a book. And whom was she reading about? She was reading about a kind-hearted girl. Sarah was reading about a kind-hearted girl. And even that kind-hearted girl's name was Sarah. Number 2. Which of these words means the ability to read and write? In these four options, which word means this, that you have ability to read and ability to write? That is literacy. Literacy means you can read and you can write. That is ability to read and write. Number 3. What did both the Sarahs love in the story A Dream Come True? What did they love? They loved reading. As you can see how she is sitting and reading, that is Sarah. So Sarah was the name of the character in this story, and there was one more character, the book which Sarah was reading. In that book also there was a character, Sarah. So both these Sarahs loved reading. Number 1, lesson number 10. Number 1. In the story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls, what quality of the courtiers did the merchant want to test? That merchant who had come, he wanted to take the test of the ministers, right? And what qualities did he want to test? Which quality did he want to take the test of? He wanted to take the test of their wisdom, means their knowledge, how much smart the courtiers are, how much smart the ministers are. So he wanted to take the test of their wisdom. Then number 2, in the story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls, when did the merchant say he would be back for the answer? So merchant said that I will come back exactly after how many days? After 30 days, means in a month. The merchant said that I will come back for the answer, and your ministers have to find the answer in a month. Number 3. in the story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls, how did the three dolls look? How did they look like? As you can see on the screen, how did they look like? They looked identical. How did they look? They looked identical. In the story of Tenali Rama and the three dolls, the dolls looked identical, means same. Now, today we shall continue with meanings. First, we will revise the meanings of lesson number 9. Then we shall revise the meanings of lesson number 10. So that our syllabus is covered. We are reading for the syllabus of the upcoming exam. And this is the new topic that we are revising today. Yesterday we had seen up till multiple choice questions. Today we will continue with meanings. You all have to write the meanings one time in rough book while watching the video. And after you complete the video, again you should write one time in the rough book so that you can revise it. Meanings number 1. Seems, looks. Seems, looks. Seems, looks. Also learn the spelling. L-O-O-K-S, looks. L-O-O-K-S, looks. Number 2. Kind-hearted, helpful. Kind-hearted, helpful. Kind-hearted, helpful. H-E-L-P-F-U-L, helpful. H-E-L-P-F-U-L, helpful. Sarah was a kind-hearted girl. She was helpful girl. Number 3. Wonder, doubt. Wonder, doubt. Wonder, doubt. D-O-U-B-T, doubt. D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Here B is silent. So, that girl was wondering, Reena was wondering who had helped her. She was doubting. Who helped me? She was thinking. So, wonder, doubt. Number 4. Break, free time. Break, free time. Break, free time. Like you have your break when you come to the school. After 4 lectures, you have your recess. That is break or free time. At that time you are free. You can have your lunch, you can play. So that is called free time. F-R-E-E, free, T-I-M-E, time. Free time. Break, free time. Now, next we will revise the meanings of lesson number 10. Right? Lesson number 10. Number 1. Merchant, businessman. Merchant, businessman. Merchant, businessman. Merchant, businessman. See, here is the merchant, businessman. Learn the spelling. B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S-M-A-N, businessman. B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S-M-A-N, businessman. Merchant, businessman. Number 2. Aroused, caused. Aroused, caused. Aroused, caused. C-A-U-S-E-D, caused. C-A-U-S-E-D, caused. Number 3. Identical, same. Identical, same. See how they look? Same. They are identical sisters. S-A-M-E, same. Number 4. Figure out, find out. Figure out, find out. Figure out, find out. F-I-N-D O-U-T, find out. F-I-N-D-O-U-T, find out. Number 5, summon, call upon. Summon, call upon. Summon, call upon. C-A-L-L-U-P-O-N, call upon. C-A-L-L-U-P-O-N, call upon. So, after revising the meanings, now let us revise give one word. Give one word. Number 1, a female member of a royal family, usually the daughter of a king or queen, that is called princess. See here how she looks, very beautiful, wearing nice clothes. She is the princess. She can be the daughter of a king or queen, that is female member, means a girl who is the daughter of the king or the daughter of a queen. That girl is called princess. What is the spelling? P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess. Number 2, a series or events that you see only in your mind while you are asleep. Means when you are sleeping, you see some events. When you are sleeping at night, you see something in your mind, you imagine. What is that called? Dream. D-R-E-A-M, dream. D-R-E-A-M, dream. That you see only at night when you are sleeping. Then give one word of lesson number 10. Number 1, someone who competes against you is opponent. Who is against you? You are playing a game, then the person who is standing against you, the opposite team member, is called your opponent. What is the spelling? O-P-P-O-N-E-N-T, opponent. O-P-P-O-N-E-N-T, opponent. The person who is in your opposite team. Number 2, bend in front of someone to show respect. That is called bow down. See, this is called bow down. I have written over here. They are bending down. They are bending down. They are showing respect. That is good manners. So you should always bow down and give respect to your elders and your teachers. Right? That is called bow. B-O-W. Bow. Bend down in front of someone to show respect. And when should you do this? In front of the elders and teachers, you should bow down. That shows that you have good manners. Number 3, people in royal court who serve as advisors to king or queen. That people are in the court which give the advice to king or queen. What are that people called? Who give the advice to king or queen. And that people are called courtiers. C-O-U-R-T-I-E-R-S, courtiers. C-O-U-R-T-I-E-R-S, courtiers. They give advice to the king or queen. Do learn the spellings of all these 3 words: opponent, bow, and courtiers. So, the next topic is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks of lesson number 9 we will revise first, then lesson number 10. So, as you know, fill in the blanks are there only in lesson 10. So, let's start with lesson 10 directly. Number 1, one day a dash came to King Krishnadevaraya's court. One day a merchant came to King Krishnadevaraya's court. MERCHANT. merchant, 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 merchant. So one day a merchant came to King Krishnadevaraya's court. Number 2. The merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked dash. The merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked identical. How did the dolls look like? They looked same, means identical. IDENTICAL, identical. Merchant gave 3 dolls that looked identical. Number 3. The king got worried and called Tenali Rama. So, worried means he was afraid, he was thinking now what to do, as no one was able to find the answer. So, the king got worried and called Tenali Rama. WORRIED, worried. WORRIED, worried. Then next, number 4. The dash failed to find the answer. The dash failed to find the answer. Ministers. The ministers failed to find the answer, because as you know that none of the ministers were able to find the answer. So who failed? Ministers. MINISTERS, ministers. MINISTERS, ministers. Number 5. Dash was asked to solve the mystery at last. Who was asked to solve the mystery? Finally, when no one was able to give the answer, then who was the one who solved the mystery? Who was that person? Tenali Rama, the intelligent minister. TENALIRAMA, Tenali Rama, solved the mystery at last. Next, true or false? We will revise first of lesson 9, then of lesson 10. Number 1. Reena was reluctant to learn in the story A Dream Come True. That is false. Reluctant means she did not want to learn, means she disliked, she hated learning. So it is false, because actually we know Reena liked, she wanted to learn, she was not reluctant. So it is false. Number 2. Reena was able to write within a few months. In the story A Dream Come True, was she able to write within a few months? Yes, it is true, because Sarah's father had taught her how to read, write, count and add. So she was able to write in a few months. True. Number 3. Sarah offered to teach Reena in the story A Dream Come True. It is false. Sarah did not tell Reena that I will teach you. Sarah told her father to teach Reena. So this is false. Then true or false of lesson number 10. Let us read. Number 1. A sailor came to Krishnadevaraya's court. It is false. Who came to King Krishnadevaraya's court? A merchant had come, not the sailor. Number 2. The ministers were asked to find out the difference among the 3 dolls. So that is true, because all the ministers were called and King Krishnadevaraya asked them to find out the difference. It is true. Number 3. The ministers failed to find the answer. It is true, because none of the ministers were able to find the answer. Then Tenali Rama came. Number 4. Tenali Rama was asked to solve the mystery at last. that is also true, because when all the ministers failed to find the answer, then Tenali Rama was asked to solve the mystery. True. Number 5. Everyone was impressed with Tenali Rama and realized that problem could have more than one answer. That is also true, because when Tenali Rama gave the answer in front of everyone, everyone was impressed and everyone realized that each and every problem can have two different solutions. So never be upset. Then complete the following of lesson number 10 CF. Now, number 1, the ministers were asked to find out the dash. The ministers were asked to find out the difference among the three dolls. The ministers were asked to find out the difference among the three dolls. Number 2, in the first doll, the wire went in through the ear and came out through the mouth. In the first doll, the wire entered through the ear and came out through the mouth. Number 3, in the second doll, the wire came dash out of the other ear. See, in the second doll, the wire came out of the other ear. Number 4, in the third doll, the wire entered the heart and did not come out. So, in the third doll, the wire entered inside the heart and did not come out. Then, question answers of lesson number 9. First we will revise, then lesson number 10. Number 1. What was Reena doing when Sarah was reading? Reena was sweeping the floor when Sarah was reading. What was she doing? Reena was sweeping the floor when Sarah was reading. Number 2. What was Reena curious about? Curious means very much interested. So what was Reena curious about? Reena was curious about what Sarah was reading. Means Reena wanted to know that what is Sarah reading so attentively. Why is she looking inside the book and so interested she is in the book, that is curious. So that Reena wanted to know that what Sarah was reading. Number 3. What dream did Reena have? What was Reena's dream? Reena had a dream that she was reading. What was Reena's dream? Reena saw in the dream that she was reading herself. She has learnt how to read. That was Reena's dream. That, oh, I have started reading. That was her dream. What did Reena learn? So, answer is, Reena learnt to read, write, count and add. Reena learnt to read, write and count and add. What did Reena learn? To read, write and count and add. These things she learnt. Number 5. Do you think Sarah was a smart girl? What according to your opinion it is? Yes, Sarah was a smart girl because she told her father to teach Reena how to read and write. So she was really a smart girl and also helpful girl. Then question answers of lesson number 10. Number 1. What did the merchant tell the king? What did he tell the king when he came? He bowed down and then what did he tell the king? The merchant said, I would like to test the wisdom of your ministers. These were his words. The merchant said to the king that I would like to test the wisdom of your ministers. Wisdom means knowledge, their brains. Number 2. Who was Tenali Rama? See over here. Who was Tenali Rama? Tenali Rama was an intelligent minister in King Krishna Devaraya's court. Who was Tenali Rama? Tenali Rama was an intelligent minister. Intelligent means he was a mindful person. He had got a lot of knowledge. He was an intelligent minister. Where did he work? In King Krishna Devaraya's court. Then next. Why did the king not call Tenali Rama initially? Why did he not call Tenali Rama before? Because he thought that the problem would be very simple. The king did not call Tenali Rama first with all the ministers because he thought that problem would be very simple and the ministers can easily find the answer. So he did not call him. What did Tenali Rama announce in front of the whole court? What did he announce in front of everyone? So here is the answer. He announced in front of the whole court that he had found the difference among the dolls. He came in front of everyone and he said that I have found the difference among these three dolls. I have got the answer finally. Number 5. Was it proved that the king's court had vice ministers? Finally, at the end of the chapter, was it proved that there were vice ministers in the King Krishna Devaraya's court? Yes, it was proved that the king's court had vice ministers. And who proved it? Tenali Rama alone proved it that king's court had really got vice ministers. So with this we complete our revision of both the chapters. I hope you have watched the video carefully and written one time in rough book. Thank you and have a nice day. Good luck.